Hey everyone, this video is for your lesson on November 5th about making predictions. It's called What Happens Next. I've made a lot of videos today, and so you're probably seeing me in the same outfit, in the same place, doing the same thing, so I'm sorry if it's super boring. I'm kind of bored of it too. All right, so you've already looked at your slides about making predictions and the importance of that in your reading. What you're going to do next is you're going to click on what happens next, this assignment. Okay, you're going to log into iLit. You're going to go to your assignments. You're going to go to iPractice, and then you're going to click on what happens next. So here we are in iLit. We're clicking on assignments. Okay, and I have iPractice right here. And I am going to click on what happens next because that's what the directions told me to do. All right, so here I have a short story, just 2 paragraphs. I'm going to read this information. And I'm going to take that information that was just presented to me, and I'm going to use my background knowledge, and I'm going to come up with a prediction about what will happen in the next story, or what will happen next in the story. Then I'm going to take the clues from the story and make it my prediction. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to look for some clues and I'm going to put them right down here. Okay? And then I'm going to read what actually does happen. Okay? And once I read what actually does happen, I'm going to write it here and I'm going to change my prediction or I'm not going to change my prediction. And I'm going to tell you why I did that or why I did not. And then I submit my answer. And then we're done. Hope you guys are well.